The Art of Sexual Transmutation. A few years ago, I heard the term sexual transmutation. It was from a Napoleon Hill's book, Think and Grow Rich. Huh? What the heck is that? At first, I thought it was some kind of joke. Using your sexual energy to produce? Sounds like some voodoo stuff. But this book is a timeless classic. If Napoleon Hill is bringing it up, then there must be a reason. Well, I met a friend of mine who told me that he had been doing it for 6 months now. 6 months of no masturbation. 6 months of refocusing his sexual energy. 6 months of dogged persistence. And 6 months later, he made enough money to quit his job and travel the world. Wait, what? So, this isn't some voodoo stuff? There might be some legitimacy to this? But there is a catch. There is an art to sexual transmutation. Just picking it up out of the blue without an end goal in mind will have you quitting real quick. The art goes like, 1. Have a mission. The mission allows you to rechannel your energy towards creating something, whether it's losing weight, building a business, starting a podcast, etc. You must manifest the energy into something attainable. 2. Rechannel the energy. Whenever you feel tempted to watch porn or get one off, work on your mission. Use the energy to create. 3. Be consistent. It was Napoleon Hill who mentioned that many people are not successful until their 40s and 50s because they do not know the art of sexual transmutation. But those who know the art at an early age and maintain consistency are able to cheat code their success. Disclaimer: this isn't to say that you stop having sex if you are, but this is to say that you should hold on to the energy even if you are having sex. Preserve the energy, and you will notice your brain thinking on higher thought patterns. It will be difficult at first, but then again, when cheat coding anything in life, just expect it to be difficult.